My dear viewers and listeners, today I am going to start the analysis of GCE A-Level Physics exam question 9702. The exam reference is March 18. The question reference is 9702, March 18, question 4, paper 1-2. The theory of this question is from 9702 curriculum, chapter 1.1, physical quantities and units. It is a multiple choice question. According to the statement of this question, the density of paper is 800 kg per meter cube. A typical sheet of paper has a width of 210 mm and length of 300 mm. The thickness of a pack of 500 sheets of paper is 50 mm. Look at the goal of this question to find the mass of a single sheet of paper. Consider different options for the mass of a single sheet of paper. Option A 0.5 gram, option B 5 gram, option C 50 gram, option D 500 gram. Working step 1. Data collection of paper, known and unknown. Density of the paper rho is equal to 800 kg per meter cube. Width of the paper W is equal to 210 mm. Length of the paper L is equal to 300 mm. Thickness of the paper H is equal to 50 mm. Number of sheets is equal to 500. Volume of pack ? Mass of one sheet ? Working step 2a. Volume of pack calculation. Volume of pack capital V is equal to length times width times thickness. Length capital L is equal to 300 mm. Width W is equal to 210 mm. Thickness H is equal to 50 mm. You know volume V is equal to length times width times thickness. Therefore, volume V is equal to 300 times 210 times 50 mm cube, or volume V is equal to 315 with 4 zeros millimeter cube. Change it into a standard form. Volume V is equal to 3.15 times 10 raised to the power 6 millimeter cube. Now change its unit from millimeter to meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter, and 1 millimeter cube is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter. Therefore, volume V is equal to 3.15 times 10 raised to the power 6 times 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter cube, and final value of volume V is equal to 3.15 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter cube. Working step 3. Mass of 500 sheets calculation. Density rho is equal to mass upon volume. Given data, density rho is equal to 800 kg per meter cube. Volume V is equal to 3.15 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter cube as calculated. Mass M is equal to density times volume equal to ? You know mass is equal to density times volume. Therefore, mass M is equal to 800 kg per meter cube times 3.15 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter cube, and mass M is equal to 2520 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 kg. Change it into a standard form. Therefore, mass M is equal to 2.52 kg. Working step 4. Mass of one sheet calculation. Mass of 500 sheets is equal to 2.52 kg. Mass of one sheet is equal to 2.52 over 500 is equal to 5.04 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 kg. Now change its unit from kg to gram as required in options. You know 1 kg is equal to 10 raised to the power 3 gram. Therefore, mass of one sheet in grams is equal to 5.04 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 times 10 raised to the power 3 gram, or mass of one sheet in gram is equal to 5.04 gram. Now rounding this number, mass of one sheet in grams is equal to 5 gram, and correct option verified is equal to B. My dear learners, please subscribe this ISRA Science Education to get new updates. To look for the next question on physical quantity in GCE A-Level Curriculum 9702, please go to ISRA Science Education, go to Video List GCE A-Level 9702 and go to Question 9702 Spring 18 Question 1 Paper 1-2. Thank you for subscribing and watching my video lesson.